Hi, Dr. Forbes. It's nice to meet you. This is Lian from Chris AI again, and I appreciate you taking the time to meet with me today. Also, I'm very thankful to Lexi for seeing how Chris can benefit your office and also letting you know with regards to our discussion today. Let me get you straight to the point. Does 20 to 25 minutes still work with your schedule?
Well, yes, Lian, because today is not a busy day. So yeah.
All right, that's perfect. So for this one, Dr. Forbes, let me introduce you now, Chris AI. So Chris AI is an artificial intelligence chatbot designed to in your dental practice that interacts with patient, doctors, staff, dynamically with improving the overall patient experience. It can help with reducing website abandonment since it's 24/7, and it can actually, answer patient inquiries 24/7. So converting as well visitors into patient or customers through a seamless and helpful user experience.
Hmm. That's really interesting, Lian. Automating some of those sound like it could be a beneficial for my practice. As you mentioned, my team and I are constantly juggling in so many different responsibilities. Like it's so stressful.
I really understand what you're, going through right now with regards to administrative tasks. So this one as well, Dr. Forbes, I actually saw your website. I actually look around your website, and I found some interesting information with regards to you have actually a lot of positive reviews from your patient. Um, with this, may I ask if do you still or do you have any struggles or challenges you're currently facing right now?
Well, Lian, actually, we are struggling with writing clinical notes. So yesterday, my staffs are complaining about writing a lot of clinical notes.
I see. I understand what you're going through right now with regards to writing, accurate clinical notes. So, I'm gonna share my screen right now, Dr. Forbes, and that way you can see how Chris AI can definitely help you in writing a clinical note. Let me share my screen. One moment.
Okay, Lian, take your time.
Can you see my screen right now?
Wait a minute. Yeah, I can clearly see your screen.
Perfect. So this is not actually Chris AI website, but this is one of the dental website which is currently subscribed to Chris AI. So they're certainly using right now Chris AI. And so let me show you, or let's ask Chris to let's see here. Let's ask Chris to write a clinical note for the placement of a crown on tooth number 8 due to large fracture. So this is definitely a chatbot. So Chris is generating already the responses. So you see there, yeah,
And
here.
actually answer your question in just a second.
Correct. So as you can see, Chris AI assists your staff in creating a detailed clinical notes. It will actually reduce workload by, offering an accurate and real-time responses. You see it has the information patient's name, the reason for the visit, the medical history, clinical examination. So all of the information there or all of the information is already there.
Ah, oh, I see, I see. That's quite very helpful, Lian. My team is always striving to be thorough in our notes, and but it can be time consuming. So by providing real-time guidance would likely improve efficiency across our dental practice. So I can
Indeed,
see that. Yeah.
yeah. Indeed, Dr. Forbes, you're absolutely right about Chris. So this can actually address your, the one that you're facing right now, as you've mentioned, the clinical notes. So definitely, with Chris implementing on your dental website, so there's no need for you to, brainstorm and writing clinical notes because Chris can definitely write the notes. All you need to do is to just ask Chris, and then there, you will have an accurate clinical notes already. And as far as we got here with regards to the clinical note, do you have, something about another, or let me say, for example, patient will going to inquire on your website. So let's ask Chris, like for example, the patient is asking whether she's going to get a dental implant or a bridge. So definitely, I will show you how Chris AI can definitely respond to that information. No need for them to, brainstorm in writing a clinical note.
Yeah.
Are you still
Yeah.
seeing my screen? All right,
Yes.
perfect. So yeah, here let me ask. Can you explain the benefits of getting a dental implant over a bridge? So let's wait for the response of Chris. See? Do you see there? Um, Chris is very detailed, in explaining the information asked by a patient. So again, as I've mentioned, Chris can definitely interact with patient, doctors, and office staff. So it will definitely provides information, from bone preservation function, oral health maintenance, considerations with regard to the treatment. So all of the information there is or all of the information is there already, and patient can have a long range of understanding about dental implants or a bridge.
I see. You're absolutely right, Leon. Chris does a great job in providing comprehensive and easy to understand information. Like Chris is very informative with his or their answer. So the
You,
patient. So,
go ahead, I'm sorry.
yeah. So I find that when patients have a clear understanding of the implant process and what to expect, they feel much more confident moving forward with treatment. Like they are rest assured with that.
Correct. That's definitely correct, Dr. Forbes. Chris, educational materials do a great job of explaining, as you can see there, right? It's very informative, and the recovery time as well, and the ongoing care required to maintain a healthy implant. It also builds trust to the patient, and that way they will not, for example, they're having like fear of the treatment or anxiety. So they can definitely have the knowledge to know or what to expect on the treatment as well. How about with regards to the insurance? Like, for example, are you struggling with, um, insurance claims, or if the patient is definitely having a hard time or accepting their insurance coverage or asking inquiries about, are you also struggling with that one?
Well, actually, Leon, last Sunday, my patient insurance was actually denied. And my other staff here, Pocholo, is also asking other members on how to make an appeal letter. So it's such a pain in the ass.
I see. I do understand that one, Dr. Forbes, with regards to, denied insurance coverage. So definitely it's like, stressful. Like for example, a patient is going to use, the patient is expecting to use the insurance, and then after giving that one, or paying using the insurance, it was definitely declined. So what can Chris do with that one or need some help with is, um, Chris can definitely help you in writing an insurance appeal or denied insurance appeal. In that way, it will be approved. So let's just, or let me show you how Chris can write an appeal letter in that way, for the consideration of, the denied insurance claim of the patient. So
Mm.
let's say we were going to ask Chris to write an appeal letter for a denied insurance claim for a root canal treatment on the tooth number 19 for patient John Smith. Let's see. There. So as you can see, Dr. Forbes, Chris provide a structured appeal letter for a denied insurance claim. Accurate and informative appeal letter. In that way, um, they can focus more on administrative tasks related to insurance appeal. Chris can definitely help you in drafting a compelling appeal letter, reducing a time spent by a dental staff. And the Chris is actually around available around the clock 24/7, so providing continuous support to both patients and staff would be beneficial to your practice.
That's incredibly helpful, Lian. And you mentioned Chris AI is available 24/7. Is that right?
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it can answer any questions from our staff, patients regarding the appeals process. That continuous support would be invaluable.
I know that Chris can definitely help you streamline your practice. And this is the last one that I'm giving you a prompt that is very beneficial to you as a dentist. This is for the dentist, for yourself, that you can ask Chris. So, for example, here, patient is on warfarin and needs extraction. What should I do? Let's check on what would be the responses of Chris. There. So as you can see, all of the information provided to or responses of Chris is essential precaution to manage, the increased of risk of bleeding due to the anticoagulant medication. Also, it is designed to assist dentists in managing patient with a complex medical histories, by providing an accurate and real-time information and facilitating the effective communication between dentist and patient. Also, as I've mentioned, this is beneficial for your practice 24/7. Chris AI as well does not directly connect or don't have any records with regards to, any information about the patient. So this will avoid, HIPAA compliance. So there's no worry for you to, um, that your information or the patient information will be leaked on to the website. So definitely Chris AI is a tool only that is directly on the website. So there is no any concerns with regards to saving patient's record.
Thank you. I think I have given this a lot of thought. I can see the value of partnering with Chris and how your services could help streamline our operations and improve the patient experience.
Correct, Dr. Forbes. Now you understand why businesses require AI today. It actually boosts efficiency and, productivity through task automation, error reduction for your staff, creating an accurate and a real-time, clinical notes, insurance or appeal letter for denied insurance claim. Also, it can help your staff to it can, provide information on how to train your new hire staff. So it requires or responds real time after hours. You can use this one off after office hours, enhancing customer experience, ultimately driving revenue as well. Optimizing operations for clinics and companies like your.
Well, thank you for the thoughtful overview, Liam. I appreciate it. And I certainly see now how Chris could benefit my dental practice. A few key things I'd like to understand better are the pricing structure and the potential return on investment.
That's actually a good question for that one, Dr. Forbes. Our pricing model includes a $199 per month subscription and a one-time payment of $500. This is for a fee custom AI boot training that is tailored to your dental practice. So as you can see, our clients, which is Idea Dental, um, you know, our clients typically achieve a 20 to 30% improvement in operational efficiency. Also, starting with or resulting in significant cost savings. Also, they report 15 to 25% increase in patient retention and after implementing Chris AI. Again, as I've mentioned, it's 24/7 and answers patient inquiries in real time, reducing website abandonment and converting more visitors into patients. Additionally, it also enhances case acceptance rate by explaining answers convincingly and provides training for dental staff, reducing costs and errors. So as you can see on all of the prompts I provided or I've showed you, so Chris can definitely streamline your practices.
Leon, I find Chris very promising for my dental practice. I'm impressed by its excellent value and affordability. The potential return on investment you've mentioned is compelling, addressing our challenges like lower staffing costs, improved patient communication, and higher case acceptance rates. The idea of 24/7 availability, increased conversation rates, and better patient satisfaction is highly appealing to me.
Thank you so much for your thoughtful consideration of how Chris can benefit your practice, Dr. Forbes. I really appreciate you taking the time, to carefully evaluate how our services can help streamline your operations and improve your patient experience.
Well, actually, Yan, our discussion today has convinced me that Chris AI is the perfect fit for my dental practice. Your detailed explanation today on its features reassured me completely. I believe wholeheartedly that this is the future of dentistry. Well, Clear's AI help us streamline operation, improve patient satisfaction, and expand our experience. We've been seeking a solution like this for some time now and eager to implement Chris AI on our dental website.
That's actually a great news, Dr. Forbes. I believe our discussion today has an excellent, and I'm confident that Chris AI is the right choice for your practice. Well, for this one, let me get straight to the point again, Dr. Forbes. Can I get you set up with Chris AI today?
Certainly, Lian. I am all set to proceed. I'm genuinely excited to integrate Acris AI and begin experiencing its advantage for my practice. I can envision the positive influence it will have on my both patients and staff. Let's begin immediately and make this a reality.
Wonderful news, Dr. Forbes. I'm actually thrilled that you already are proceeding with Chris AI. So your enthusiasm is very truly infectious, and I'm eager to witness the positive changes it will bring to your practice.
Yeah, thank you.